Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Wix for building a personal website, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Wix website at www.wix.com. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. You will have the option to sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. After signing up, you will be taken to the Wix dashboard. Here, click on the Create New Site button to start building your website. You will be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. Select Personal from the available options. Wix will then ask if you want to use Wix ADI or the Wix editor. Choosing Wix ADI allows for a more automated website creation process. If you select the Wix editor, you can customize every detail of your site. For this guide, let's choose the Wix editor for more control. You will then be directed to the Templates page. Browse through various templates specifically designed for personal websites. Choose a template that resonates with your style and click Edit. The Wix editor will open, displaying your chosen template. You can now start customizing your website. Begin by clicking on elements like text boxes to edit the content. Change text by simply clicking on it and typing your desired information. To add new elements, click on the plus icon on the left toolbar. You can add images, videos, buttons, and more. To upload your own images, click on My Uploads in the toolbar. Select Upload Media and choose images from your device. Drag and drop the uploaded images onto your site. You can adjust their size and position as needed. Next, consider adding pages to your website. Click on the Menus and Pages option in the left sidebar. Here, you can add additional pages like About Me, Projects, and Contact. Ensure each page has relevant content to showcase your personality. To do this, click on the plus icon and select Social Links. Drag the social media icons to your preferred location on the site. Once your content is ready, preview your website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.